In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Adobe Express video longer. Whether you're trying to meet a specific runtime or simply improve pacing, I'll walk you through a clean, practical way to extend your project without it feeling stretched or repetitive. Start by opening your video project in Adobe Express. From the home screen, select the project you want to adjust, and it will load into the editor with your scenes along the timeline. Take a quick moment to scan what you already have, so you know where an extra beat, a visual, or a title card might add value. Extending length works best when it also improves clarity or storytelling. Next, click Add Scene to insert a new slide or clip. You'll find this option near your timeline or scene panel. Each scene is like a building block that adds time to your overall video. Place the new scene exactly where it makes the most sense, between two ideas that need a smoother transition, before a key point to introduce it, or at the end to wrap things up. Now add photos, videos, or text to the new scene. Think of this as a purposeful addition: a quick title, a short summary card, a simple credits page, or a relevant photo or B-roll clip. Keep your style consistent with the rest of the project by matching fonts, colors, and layout. If you're using branded elements, apply the same treatments so the new scene blends seamlessly. To fine-tune the overall length, select any scene and increase its duration by dragging the edge on the timeline or by using the timing controls. Text-based scenes usually benefit from a few extra seconds so viewers can comfortably read. 3 to 5 seconds often works for short lines, while longer paragraphs need more time. For video clips, consider the natural motion in the footage. Extending a calm shot can create breathing room, but keep an eye on pacing so it doesn't feel static. Watch the total duration indicator so you know how close you are to your target length. Finally, add background music to smoothly fill the extra time. Choose a track from the Adobe Express library or your own licensed audio, and adjust the volume so it supports rather than competes with any narration. Lightly fade the music in and out for a polished transition, and, if narration is present, lower the music level under those parts so your voice stays clear. With these adjustments, adding a scene, enriching it with media or text, fine-tuning durations, and laying in music, you'll extend your video in a way that feels cohesive and intentional.